Uniswap value equivalent to $6.7822 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $6.6846, $6.8896. The earlier day close: $6.8197. The change was 0.0375, 0.55%. Converse rate: United States dollars to UNI. Uniswap gauge for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $9.14. Exorbitant cost 11.34, while low cost 9.14. The normal for the month $10.06. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $10.60, change for April 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $10.60. Excessive cost 10.60, while low cost 9.19. The normal for the month $10.07. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $9.88, change for May 6.8%. Uniswap conjecture for June 2024. Before all else cost at $9.88. Excessive cost 10.79, while low cost 9.37. The normal for the month $10.03. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $10.08, change for June 2.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $10.08. Exorbitant cost 11.21, while low cost 9.75. The normal for the month $10.38. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $10.48, change for July 4.0%. Uniswap gauge for August 2024. In the first place, cost at $10.48. Exorbitant cost 13.01, while low cost 10.48. The normal for the month $11.53. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $12.16, change for August 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at $12.16. Exorbitant cost 13.66, while low cost 11.88. The normal for the month $12.62. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $12.77, change for September 5.0%. Uniswap estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $12.77. Exorbitant cost 13.93, while low cost 12.11. The normal for the month $12.96. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $13.02, change for October 2.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset, cost at $13.02. Excessive cost 14.28, while low cost 12.42. The normal for the month $13.27. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $13.35, change for November 2.5%. Uniswap estimate for December 2024. To start with, cost at $13.35. Exorbitant cost 14.52, while low cost 12.62. The normal for the month $13.52. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $13.57. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place, cost at $13.57. Exorbitant cost 14.56, while low cost 12.66. The normal for the month $13.60. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $13.61, change for January 0.3%. Uniswap conjecture for February 2025. Before all else, cost at $13.61. Excessive cost 16.90, while low cost 13.61. The normal for the month $14.98. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $15.79, change for February 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2025. Initially cost at $15.79. Excessive cost 17.40, while low cost 15.12. The normal for the month $16.14. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $16.26, change for spring 3.0%. Uniswap conjecture for April 2025. At the outset, cost at $16.26. Exorbitant cost 18.09, while low cost 15.73. The normal for the month $16.75. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $16.91, change for April 4.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at $16.91. Excessive cost $19.48, while low cost $16.91. The normal for the month $17.88. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $18.21, change for May 7.7%. Uniswap figure for June 2025. Before all else cost at $18.21. Excessive cost $20.51, while low cost $17.83. The normal for the month $18.93. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $19.17, change for June 5.3%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at $19.17. Exorbitant cost $19.17, while low cost $14.97. The normal for the month $17.35. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $16.10, change for July 16.0%. Uniswap gauge for August 2025. To start with cost at $16.10. Exorbitant cost $19.99, while low cost $16.10. The normal for the month $17.72. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $18.68, change for August 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at $18.68. Excessive cost $18.68, while low cost $15.25. The normal for the month $17.25. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $16.40, change for September 12.2%. Uniswap gauge for October 2025. In the first place cost at $16.40. Exorbitant cost $16.40, while low cost $12.87. The normal for the month $14.88. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $13.84, change for October 15.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $13.84. Excessive cost $13.84, while low cost $10.82. The normal for the month $12.53. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $11.63, change for November 16.0%. Uniswap estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $11.63. Exorbitant cost $13.05, while low cost $11.35. The normal for the month $12.06. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $12.20, change for December 4.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at $12.20.